You are grounded for calling me a simp and hating Meowbahh.
No, wow.
Let's begin the punishments. First punishment, electrocution.
Ouch, that was really painful.
Second punishment, getting beat the fuck up. I will change into my little peep's form so I can fight properly. Good, I'm glad it hurt. Time for the final blow. Final punishment, you will be sent to hell forever. What up?